Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate, kuya, beshies. Kamusta na po kayo? Andito ulit ako si Chari para gumawa ng another reading. And this is for the sign of Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin ni Saji at saka yung mga bago po nating viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung energy o yung gustong message na iparating sa inyo, Saji. Ang tumalsik na cards ay Nine of Cups, Ten of Wands, and the Empress, Three of Cups, at Six of Swords. Bottom niya is the High Priestess. Itong energy ng High Priestess is energy coming from a Pisces. So you might be dealing with a Pisces, okay? Pero more of yung sinasabi kasi dito is ngayon ginagamit mo yung yung intuition, okay? Kasi parang binibigyan mo ng mas matinding halaga, no? You are going within. Nag-iisip ka ng malalim at talagang you are really manifesting or thinking na ano yung mangyayari o parang you're asking guidance kung ano yung mangyayari, okay? O you wanted to know kung yung naiisip mong decision is the right one to do. Kasi kaya nga you're being parang silent, no? Tahimik ka lang and observing and really going within to hear o marinig o malaman kung ano yung nasa inner voice na maririnig mo o malalaman mo, no? From you, sa loob mo, ano yung inner voice na yon na maririnig mo o magbubulong sa'yo na ito yung dapat mong gawin. Kasi nakasalalay dito yung panibagong pag-uumpisa mo, a new beginning, something na alam mong magandang pag-uumpisa, something very solid at talagang ito yung kung gaba parang iniisip mo o minimithi mo na mangyari. Kasi sa ngayon, you have this energy, Saji, of the Queen of Swords na logic yung kanyang ginagamit, more of talaga yung iniisip mo yung logic, no, yung pag-iisip ang ginagamit at hindi yung kanyang damdamin, hindi yung iyong damdamin rather. Kaya yun yung mas binibigyan mo ng halaga dito sa umpisa na to. Kasi iniisip mo na sa ngayon, may options ako, no? Meron ako maraming pwedeng pagpilian o meron kung gaba parang ako'y naguguluhan. Hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung dapat na direksyon ng kukunin ko o gagawin ko. Kaya kung gaba parang ang iniisip ko ngayon, kung gaba nag-focus ako is really to look or go within and use my intuition. Gamitin ko yung aking intuition para sa pagpili o sa gagawa ng desisyon na para isa ang kabubuti ko. Kasi ang gusto ko talaga is magkaroon ng wish fulfillment, na maging matupad yung aking minimithi o pinapangarap o pinagdasal na matuloy para ako'y lumigaya, no? For me to be happy, na talagang maramdaman ko na ako ay nagtagumpay at nagwagi. Kasi ayaw mo nang ma-burden, no? You don't want to be burdened anymore. Pagdating sa pag-ibig at sa kaperahan. Para sa'yo, gusto mo na magkaroon ng ganitong level of standards pagdating sa sarili mo o doon sa taong mamahalin mo. Somebody na talagang maganda, may sinasabi, merong mataas na value in terms of how they look themselves, hindi lang pera, but kung paano nila tinitignan na kanilang sarili. So, ito yung parang hinahanap ko na mga qualities sa isang tao. At gusto ko talaga na meron kaming, alam mo yun, yung talagang pagkakataon o na may time na talagang we enjoy each other. Kasi ako talaga, as a Saji, of course, you like to have fun. No? Gusto mo magkaroon ng every now and then to express yung pagiging very fiery mo as a person. No? Talagang, sige lang, you go and you do what you want to do. You express yourself creatively. You want to be free. So, meron kang freedom and be able to go and be adventurous. Yun yung pagiging and you want that sa relationship nyo. Na pareho kayo. You understand. Kung gaba your person would understand where you're coming from. And with the Six of Swords kasi, ito yung gusto mo na talagang, tahimik kayo. No? Tahimik kayo na sailing or having this journey together. Gusto mo yun. You wanted that na okay lang kayo, na nagja-jive kayo pareho, tahimik. No? Things are really on more of the parang smooth side of life. No? You have the Ace of Wands, the Eight of Pentacles, the Six of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles, the Devil. Bottom niya is the King of Swords. Katulad kanina, no, there was the Queen of Swords and now it's the King of Swords. Talagang ang after mo is, of course, have that frequent communication and being open and honest communication. And again, ito na naman, lumabas na naman siya. Nakita mo nag-shuffle ako. Again, here is the High Priestess card. So, yun talagang intuition mo, pinapagamit mo ngayon. You wanted, pagdating dito sa qualities na to na you wanted your person to be really honest, because you wanted to know. Gusto mong malaman. Dahil nga di sa panibagong pag-uumpisa na to. Okay? And now, this is what I'm talking about. Na ito yung Queen of Swords and this is the King of Swords. So you could see that match, there is a match that you are wanting na talagang pareho kayo. You wanted both of you to be on the same page. Okay? And itong wish fulfillment na to na gusto mo mangyari is also serving to have this new beginning. Something very passionate, and something that would provide yung action na to. Yung wish na to, wini-wish mo na sana magkatotoo, gusto mo talagang mangyari na. That's the simplest way to interpret itong card na to. Kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari, wini-wish mo, sana mangyari na. Okay? And kasi ito nga yung Ace of Wands is, you want action, movement, paggalaw, pagpapasatupad. Okay? And ayaw mo na kasing mahirapan pa. I mean, you've been working very hard, no? Matagal na tong nararamdaman mo na hirap. Maybe it's something to do with money. Kasi lahat naman tayo, no? We work nung matagal na, no? Years, no? We work years. Maabot nga tayo dun sa age of retirement, no? And sa totoo lang, minsan kasi, di ba, we work kasi we need money for practical reasons. Iilan lang talaga yung masasabi natin, we work because we love our job. Natututunan na lang nating mahalin ang ating trabaho kasi kailangan natin Kailangan nating mahalin. Dahil kailangan nating mabuhay. Kailangan natin ng pera. Diba? Kailangan natin ng pera. And all of us wanted to have something na talagang very abundant, no? Masagana. Puno-puno ng buhay at pagmamahal. Kaya we have this energy of the Empress. Dahil yun ang nararapat para sa atin. We aim. Ang gusto natin ma-achieve o magkaroon ng katuparan. Of course, yung dumami ang ating resources, ang ating pera, para maramdaman natin yung ginhawa ng buhay, yung kagandahan ng buhay. But of course, it's not all money, but it helps, no? It helps us to enjoy more of life if we have more money. And ang hinihiling mo lang naman is patas, no? An equal give and take. The Six of Pentacles. Kasi sa totoo lang, you work naman pinagtrabahuhan mo to. Kaya kung gaba parang humingi ka lang ng patas na pagkakaroon ng enough resources na bayaran ka o magkaroon ka, makatanggap ka ng nararapat na binibigay mong output sa trabaho. And of course, if you're abundant, that would make you very happy, di ba? You feel like celebrating. Gusto mo talaga na mag-enjoy, with your friends, with the loved ones. Kasi nga, you want to be thankful that life is really so good na nakakatanggap ka o nakaka-receive ka ng kaginhawahan sa buhay. And, this is really giving you that sense of security that you wanted initially, sa pag-uumpisa. Nararamdaman mo talaga na, magiging secure ako financially, the way I wanted it, the way I'm wishing it. Kapag dumating na tong feeling of abundance na to with the energy of the Empress. And if you have that feeling of security, of course, you feel calm, no? Tahimik ang pakiramdam mo. Walang gulo, walang intriga, walang pananakit, o makakaramdam ka ng frustration. No, nothing. You just feel so calm, tahimik, masaya, no? Yun yung gusto mo. At of course, umiiwas ka dito sa toxic energy na to. Something na possessive or bad or addictive na energy with the devil. So you might be dealing with a Capricorn. O may Capricorn siya sa kanyang chart. Saggy. So, this is something na talagang you are trying to avoid. Kasi ang gusto mo is to have something na talagang would give you stability. Kahit umpisa pa lang ito maliit, but you are heading to that 10 of Pentacles, yung talagang gusto mo. yung Ten of Pentacles is Ten of Pentacles and then the Page. Kung ba parang you wanted to reach that level of security with your person. Kasama yung person mo. So, wala namang imposible. I don't see anything that is not impossible na hindi mangyayari. Because you have wished for it. And you are willing to work for it. No? Willing ka to really, put up the long hours ng pagtatrabaho to be able to receive your money through na para mabayaran ka ng tama, ng sapat, at matupad yung gusto mo na maging masagana. And that would make you happy, worth celebrating, would make you happy. Kaya, happy and peaceful. Happy and peaceful. Kaya, yun yung gusto mong mangyari. And ayaw mo to. You're taking off this bad energy of the devil. Kaya, you don't want that. No? You don't want that. You are being mindful. No? Iniisip mo yun. Alam mo yun. Kaya, you're very, kung ba parang sabi ko, maybe that's the reason why the High Priestess is showing twice. Kasi for this energy, ginagamit mo yung intuition pagdating dito sa energy ng devil. Okay? So, ayaw mo. You don't want to be caught up into that wrongdoings, yung maling paggawa. So, tingnan natin kung ano pa yung message para sa'yo. Growth. I want to expand my consciousness and my awareness. Yeah. Gusto mo talagang mas lumaki pa. Health. I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. So talagang pangangalagaan mo mabuti ang iyong pangangatawan, ang iyong kalusugan. At grief, I understand that losing something is an opportunity to appreciate it. Yes. Alam mo na pag may nawala, ito yung sinasabi lang sa'yo na yung oportunidad para malaman mo kung gaano ka-importante ito. No? At ma-appreciate mo kung ano yung meron ka kung habang naandun siya sa'yo. Na-appreciate mo yun. Ma-appreciate mo. You've learned to appreciate what you have before bago siya nawala. So, this is really giving more importance of the people that is around you, the people that you love, the job that you have, okay? The family you have, the friends that you have. No, it's not all about money. Of course, you appreciate the money that you have, the opportunity that you have. Pero overall, huwag natin kalimutan na lahat ito is blessing from God. God is blessing you all of these opportunities para for you to see and appreciate na this is a blessing. Okay? So, ang sinasabi dito, don't stop growing. You are aiming to grow further. Mas lumago ka pa, which is beautiful. You take care of your body. Dapat lang. Kasi binigay ito sa atin ng Diyos. And we are the only one responsible taking care of our health. And, of course, huwag kang malungkot kung mawawala yung mga bagay na importante sa'yo. Kasi alam mo namang na-appreciate mo sila. Wala naman talagang tumatagal dito sa mundo. All of these material things, hindi mo yan madadala sa hukay. Okay? Ang madadala mo lang is love. Yung pagmamahal mo sa tao. Okay? Because yun lang ang totoo. Okay? The only thing that is real in this world is love. So, I hope nakatulong ito sa Saji. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin sa pagbasa na ito. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.